So we've got our data onto the screen, the controller created it, passed it to the scope, and the view read from the scope. But that's not great for our users. They don't want to read JSON. So let's get some of our proper drawing row items on screen. We're going to be using a directive called ng-repeat. This directive is placed on a DOM element that you'd like to repeat for every item in a list of items. The syntax is quite simple. We put ng-repeat directive on, and the value will be an expression that describes how we'd want to repeat, as in where we're getting the items from. So we're going to say ng-repeat drawing in drawings. So we're saying we're going to call each of our items drawing, and we're getting them from the drawings data stored on our scope. We just see immediately what happens. We get 3 repetitions of that DOM element. If you remember, we have 3 items of data. So when we say ng-repeat drawing in drawings, we're going to get 3 elements. Now this drawing variable is important. What it does is for each of these elements, we create a new DOM element, and it creates a new scope which contains a drawing variable. We need a new scope each time because each one of these elements refers to a different drawing. The first drawing, second, and the third. And obviously, if we're using the same name, we're going to need different scopes which have the same name pointing to a different drawing. So we're going to get 3 DOM elements out of that, and each one of them can use the drawing to refer to their specific drawing. And we can do standard data binding from that point. So there we can replace the drawing name with our drawing.name. And what we should see is indeed drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3. We check our data, drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3. So that's fantastic. We've set up a main scope with our controller that contains our data, and we've used the ng-repeat directive with this expression, drawings in drawings, that creates a DOM element for each one with a separate scope. The scopes only differ in where their drawings property points, a different drawing each time. And we've bound our span to the drawing's name.